everyone, it's Jacoby. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you some drills that you can do in your room at home by yourself, and it's so easy. All you need is a ball, so go ahead and follow along with me and make sure you subscribe and like this video. Alright guys, so first drill, we're going to start with a little arm warm up. So we're going to go around the world with our left arm, around the world with our right arm, and then around the world with our platform. So let's start with the left, and if you drop it, you have to start over. So you have to make it all the way around the world and back. And back. Okay, now go with the other arm with the right, around the world, and then you're gonna go back. Ow. Alright, so now that you've done your left arm and your right arm, your heart rate should be kind of up. Gonna go around the world. And you can move your body with the ball. You don't have to be like this, because that's obviously very unnatural. You're gonna come back. Make sure you're keeping your eye on your platform and controlling the ball. Alright, so after that, you're gonna go around the world with a pass and a set. So, start here, set, 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 back, set, back, set, back, set, back, set. And you can do that as many times as you want to get a warm up, or just if you want to do the drill more, obviously do it as many times as you want. All right, so next we're gonna go around just setting. Set, 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 set. And this time you're actually gonna go all the way and then back. Make sure to keep your hands nice and wide and soft. Once again, you don't want monster fingers like this, but you want nice, soft hands so you can actually set the ball without any spin. So let's do it again. Start from the back. Come back around. Perfect. All right, so now we're gonna get like a little exercise in, also while we get some reps. So we're gonna do high knees while setting in place. So just like this. And this really makes you focus on your hands because you're doing something else at the same time. So really try to drive your legs up, drive them up. You can turn in the air if you have that control, and keep going. So you should be pretty nice and warm now. So now we're gonna go into actual passing. But since we're in a room, I don't want y'all to actually break something. So we're gonna do it in front of us. So that means I'm gonna go left to right. Left, so left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Does that make sense? And also, the way that you can get it moving left to right is with your platform, okay? So to actually be able to control and move the ball, you have to angle your platform. So if I wanted to go this way, my platform needs to be that way. It can't be straight up, it'll literally just go straight up. Next, we're gonna pass to ourselves and then tip to ourselves. I absolutely love this. Everyone needs to know how to tip. Set, tip, set, tip, set, tip, set, tip. And notice how I'm staying in the same place pretty much the entire time, or that's how you know you have control. Also, the benefit of tipping to yourself and setting the ball is that when you tip it, the ball has spin, and the ball is so hard to set when it has spin, but if you practice it, you'll master it. Next, we're gonna practice our back sets and catch. Set backwards, turn around, catch it. Back set, turn around, catch it. Make sure you don't go too high because you don't want to hit your ceiling, you know, don't want to do that. And also, we're staying inside because it is cold. That one is actually really fun. So if you want to do that, if you want to pause the video right now and keep doing that, love that. I absolutely love that drill. So much fun, and back setting is really fun. Who doesn't like back setting? So if I need a refresher, how you set is you kind of like want to pretend like you're drinking a big liter Coke bottle, and you want to be like this above your head. It's perfect right here with like a liter in your hand, just like this. Next, we have roll shot to a pass. So this will really help you control where your roll shots go, because that's also very important as you go up in the ranks. So we're going to go roll shot, set, roll shot, set, roll shot, set, roll shot, set. And also, a roll shot is supposed to have top spin on it, so you want to get under it and snap your wrist. Roll shot, set, roll shot, or you can pass it, whichever one, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so next we're going to do, if you have like a bed that you can sit down in or a chair, we're going to get up and set out of the chair. All right, so here's my chair right here, and we're gonna start sitting down in the chair. We're gonna set, 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 set. So we're gonna set about 5 times, and then you're gonna gradually get up and keep setting the ball, and then sit down and repeat. This is a great drill to work on your setting control, because you have to focus on getting up, and getting down. Getting up and getting down. And also it's a great workout because you're also squatting basically, like it's kind of like a body weight squat and you add some setting into it. It's a great way to work out, one, and it's a great way to control your sets because if you can do this drill and keep going and not drop the ball, your control is pretty good. Okay, so moving the chair out of the way. Now what I like to do is I like to put my leg up on like my bed or something and we're gonna pass. This is a great way to open up your hips. When you're passing to a target on an angle, you always have to have a hip around the ball for the ball to actually go to the target on that correct angle. Obviously, if I'm just passing to you, the camera, I would just be like this. But if you were over there, I'd be like this, right? So we're gonna practice that by putting our leg up on the bed and we're gonna practice our shoulder and our hip angle. So this would be like if I'm passing to my left. So pass in place. And notice how it's taking me this way because my hip is so over exaggerated to my angle. So, boop, boop, boop. Very fun. And also it's a good hip flexor stretch, I will say. And then you can obviously do the other leg. And if y'all haven't noticed, I'm literally in my pajamas. Like I literally have slippers on, so you can literally do this anywhere, in your pajamas, in your room, in your mom's room, in your bathroom, or maybe not your bathroom, but you know what I'm saying. This is so versatile and I really hope you guys take these drills and do them because obviously we're all missing the gym. We're all missing our teams, but this is the perfect way to get your touches and kind of get your volleyball fix for the day. All right, so last drill is some jump squat sets. So this is actually going to be really challenging if you're not already kind of advanced, but if you're kind of a beginner, you can modify it. But for like my advanced girlies out there, or guys, what's up? So you're gonna jump and set, jump and set, jump and set, jump and set. Does that make sense? So really, you're tossing the ball up and as the ball's in the air, you're doing a quick squat and you're getting back up to set the ball. Set, jump, set, jump, set. And notice how my legs are really wide, my base is wide, and I'm still going up with the same hands. So, jump, go.
Hey guys, what's up? It's future Jacoby. I just wanted to pop in here and say thank you so much for subscribing because we just hit 2,500 subscribers, so we're almost at 3,000, which was my goal by the end of the year. So I'm really happy and grateful for all of you. I really hope you had a good holiday season. I know the holidays aren't happy for everybody, so I just want to thank y'all. Thank you so much. I love you all so much, and it means the world to me that you watch my videos, that you subscribe, and that I actually like help you out somehow in some way. So yeah, I'm really excited for this next year. Let me know what y'all want to see from me for the next year. I really want to do my best for you guys, so just let me know what you want to see from me in the next year, and I'll see you. Okay, now I'll do the actual outro. Bye.
All right guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you liked it. Please let me know what you want to see from me in the comments. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.